Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cancel an item order in Heartopia. So once you reach level 35, you will unlock a new feature that called the order machine like this. And if you still don't know how to use it, you can check my full tutorial in the descriptions below to watch the tutorial. And then now sometimes we change our mind or want to order a different item instead. So how do you cancel it? Just go to the order machine that located between pubs and the ready store, and then just simply tap the machine and then just tap on give up like this, and your item delivery will be automatically cancelled right away. And don't worry, your order tickets will be fully returned to your backpack like this, so you can use it again to order another items. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.